Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is Transformation of Sentences. So, what is the meaning of transformation of the sentences? This is not the first time, we have done it previously in 9th standard also. So, transformation of sentences means we are going to change syntax, means structure of sentences without changing the meaning. So the same thing has already given in your book. Transformation of sentences means to change it from one grammatical form to another. And what grammatical form is? Structure, syntax, from one type of structure to another. And for that we are not going to do as per our own wish. The rules have already been set by the grammarians. So in this chapter we will learn the rule. This chapter will help you to revise and consolidate. Consolidate means to sum up what you have learned earlier. So you have already familiar, as I have already said, but thoroughly you are going to learn in this chapter. So we will start with sentences containing the adverb to, and we all know that to occurs with the combination of to. So I have found so many times that the students are making this blunder of using this word or conjunction instead of also, and that is quite wrong. I will clarify as we will go ahead example by example. So firstly, just I want to say that the to and to, they occur in combination of each other, and the word TWO contains not, means negative connotations. So how can we use or replace it at the place of also? It's not possible. So let us start with the first example that is already given in your book. The news is too good to be true, and we are asked to change it into another structure. And what is the equivalent structure for it? For that purpose, we will have to use one structure that has already been fixed by the grammarians, that is so that can. So that can. You people are familiar with this structure, but you don't know how to write in a sentence. So in today's lesson, we will have to learn about it. So that, here we will use adjective that is already given. And after that we have so, adjective, then that, then subject, then can. I will clarify it with the help of one example. He is so. So instead of TWO we have used so. And instead of TO we have used that. But before that we have adjective stupid. He is stupid, and stupid word is telling us something about he. So this is a adjective. And TWO2, after that we have adjective, then TO2, and after that we are going to use subject, he. What is the subject? He. We are talking about he, so that's why he is subject. Then can. So this is a structure we are going to pursue in all the subsequent sentences. Clear? So that's why to change it into another structure, into another grammatical form, we'll write like this. This news is so. Instead of to we have used so. Good. Good already given. Adjective, good. Then instead of to we will use that. Then subject. What is the subject? The news. Instead of, we can't write he, she, they. So news is an abstract noun. So to denote that, this is very childish thought, and I hope that all of you are familiar. So to denote the news we will use it. Cannot be true. As I've already said, see, in the first sentence we don't find any not there, but here we have used cannot, because I have already said the word two TWO2 and two it contains not itself. The news is too good. इतनी अच्छी है to be true कि ये true और authentic नहीं हो सकती. So to here we will have to pursue the same meaning. So for that can के साथ we will have to make use of not. Clear? So they start with the next or second sentence. He is too proud to beg. वो इतना ज़्यादा प्राउड है, इतना ज़्यादा घमंडी है कि वो बेग नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, नहीं करेगा. नॉट इज गिवन, नॉट. देयर इज नो एनी नॉट इज गिवन. बट according if we will see the meaning, then it comprise not itself. तो here with the want, would not, वो नहीं मांगेगा. would not, वो नहीं मांग सकेगा. could not. So according to the sense we have used could. Would, we can use would, could and might according to the sense. Might shows to the possibility. could shows the capacity, वो कर सकता है. shine, वो करे. would, वो करेगा in the coming future. So would we have used. He is too proud to beg. He is so proud. He is so proud. Instead of to we will use so. Proud adjective already given. Then instead of to we will use that. Clear? That. Then we need a subject here. After that that is a noun clause. ये सारी noun clause है. And after noun clause जो है ना, for example that के बाद noun clause start होती है. And for that purpose we will have to make use of he, subject. Don't forget. So we will write like this. He is so proud that he denotes to subject. So we will have to make use of subject because we are not, going to coin a main clause or principal clause after that. So that's why. So here we don't have any this kind of clause, but here we will have to make, because after that we will have one principal clause that will be noun clause. So this is the difference. He, subject, and would not, might not, and could not we will use according to the sense. So here I have already explained. So we will make use of would not beg. Clear? So not we will have to use because to comprises to this conjunction itself containing not, but here we will have to use it to means we will have to continue the same meaning. So that's why. The man is too old to learn new things. वो इतना old है कि वो means new things नहीं सीख सकेगा. Clear? So for that we will have to make we'll have to write in this structure like this. The man is so. Instead to we will write so. Old, adjective. Clear? Then instead of to, that. He is too old. He is so old that. Then subject. The man is a male. He is a person. So we have used he. He cannot. Most of the sentences we use can, cannot, or in the past could not. But there are few cases where there is a feeling of possibility, then might. And if there is anything that means we are having more surety that it will happen. We are sure that he is proud, so he will not. So we have used it would not. Clear? So for more possibility, and we are just imagining. This is our imagination. So that's why would has been used. The man is so proud that he cannot learn new things. I will add some new examples that are not given inside your book. See, the mango is so unripe. It cannot be eaten. The mango is too unripe to be eaten. That was the sentence which was given to us. So, instead of to, so, unripe is the adjective. That, we will make use of that. It cannot be eaten. Clear? So we also have to learn, firstly just learn this formula, then how to reverse order. In the reverse order also we will learn, because sometimes in the paper exam, in your exam, you are going to have your final term exam. In that you may be asked, you may be given this sentence, you will have to change it into that one. So you should be very clear about the rules pertaining to each and every sentence. So the mango is so unripe, it cannot be eaten. The mango is too unripe to be eaten. The box is too heavy to be lifted. Instead of to, we will use so. Heavy, already given adjective, heavy we will write like as it is. Then to, instead of to, we will write that. The box is so heavy that, then we need a subject. Box is it, non-living thing. For that we will use it, pronoun. That it cannot be lifted. He is ill. He is too ill to go to school. So he is so ill adjective. Instead of to, we will write that. Subject he, that he cannot. वो इतना बीमार है कि वो स्कूल नहीं जा सकता. He is so ill that he cannot go to school. Then the next one, he is too weak to walk. He is so weak. Instead of TW2, we will write so. Weak adjective will remain as it is. Then instead of to, we will write that. He cannot walk. Then we need a subject to coin a main clause or principal clause, that is called noun clause. He cannot walk. And I hope that the first very point that is given inside your book, means the first formula, you have already learned. I will give one example and you will under yourself. If for example you are given this sentence, the mango is so unripe that it cannot be eaten. So you are asked to change it into TW2 and 2 by using this conjunction. So how you will reverse it? The mango is too unripe to be eaten. The mango is so unripe that it cannot be eaten. The mango is so, instead of so, we will write too. Unripe, then adjective will remain as it is. The mango is too unripe. Instead of that, we will write to be eaten. Then after to, we are not going to use anything else but verb only. So where is the verb? Be eaten. One more example. The box is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. The box is too. Instead of so, too. Heavy, adjective will remain as it is. Then that, instead of that, we will write to. And after to, only verb. What is the verb? Passive form of the verb is given, be lifted. Clear? So I hope that you have already understood this concept and revise it. I will give you few of the sentences. You will have to solve them so that I can make up this idea whether you have got or not.